Maiden here, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know what time it is. You know that it's sweater weather. It's time to wear sweaters, and all of us fairies of the Fairy K community rejoice. But this is my cute new sweater that I got from a wonderful content creator named Misty Dreaming, who you can find on Instagram because she held a giveaway not too long ago, and I won, and I got this very, very cute sweater, and it's so adorable. Anyways, back to the whole point of this video. Today, we are having a haul video because your girl finally has money because she finally got a job. Am I choking on glitter? Seemed impossible for a very long time, but just a few weeks ago, my anxiety said, you know what, girl? You need money to buy your kawaii shite, so go ahead. You can have a job. I'll step back. I'll step back and you can go get a job. So I went to good old TJMaxx. And some of you might be looking at me like I'm crazy, like Rainbow. You can't get cute Kawaii Pastel things at TJMaxx. My mother shops there and she buys her boring black and brown and gray clothing. Well, let me tell you something. There are some hidden gems at TJMaxx if you're only willing to look. So anyways, enough waiting. We're gonna take a look the magical things that I found at TJMaxx. So the first thing I found were these really cute little winter boots. It's that time of year and I'm going to need boots, and snow really kicks our ass over here in Pennsylvania, so I decided it was time to get some good winter boots because I've spent the last few winters walking around in sneakers that get soaked up with rain and snow. And these were $49.99, so it kind of burned a hole in my wallet, but I can justify it. It's something I need, right? To keep my toesies warm. And speaking of keeping my toesies warm, they have these cute little slippers at TJMaxx too. Now they had like a whole section of these with a whole bunch of different animals, but of course I got piggies. Not just because they're pink, but because piggies are actually one of my favorite animals. So they're $5.99 and they're really adorable, and I'm definitely gonna get use out of these this winter. Oh boy, because I'm not gonna leave my house. So next we have these beautiful babies. These are apparently special limited edition makeup brushes, but look how cute they are. They're covered in purple glitter. So I'll admit these were a little pricey by my standards. These were $5.99 each, so they're definitely not super cheap, but they were so worth it. They're so sparkly and so cute. The next thing I found was, of course, in the kids section, because where else would I shop? Duh. I found this cute little thing. It's a little lunch box, so I can have snacks and lunch when I go to work. How cute! It's so adorable, and it's holographic on the little wings. And this heart, I thought it was here for decoration, but it's actually a window. It's not a very good window. You can't see much through it, but see my hand? You probably can't see it, but yeah, like it's a real window, so everyone can see all the candy that I'm eating for lunch. So this item is probably my favorite thing from the whole haul. I got this cute little Disney princess mug. Now, if you watched my 18 years old and alone series that I just did, you'll know I already have a Disney princess mug, but I thought, like, I could always use another one, right? And last, but certainly not least, I found another JoJo bow. I know everyone is always criticizing JoJo and like, oh, her bows are so expensive. Not if you go to TJMaxx, boo. Look at that. Look at that. $5.99. Only $5.99 for one of these boys. They're only expensive if you go to Claire's. See, look how cute. It's all pastel rainbow, which you know is my favorite. And it's covered in cute little stars, and you know I love little stars. And, oh, it's just so cute. Anyways, that's it for my haul for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all those links down below in the description, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!